Run-on sentences are a significant problem in business writing. This is where two ideas, or simple sentences, are just simply joined by a comma. It happens when people write the way they speak. So let's have a look at an example. The company is profitable. The industry is in a strong position. Now clearly these are two sentences, but they've been joined by a comma, and it creates this idea of a run-on sentence. So let's look at ways that we can fix a run-on sentence. Again, same example. The company is profitable, comma, the industry is in a strong position. Well, we can do it by separating them with a full stop. The company is profitable, full stop. The industry is in a strong position, full stop. So we've got those two simple sentences sitting next to each other. But that's choppy. It doesn't sound so great. So what's another solution? Join the sentences with a semicolon. The company is profitable, semicolon, the industry is in a strong position. That's a little bit better. Or number 3, join the sentences with a conjunction. The company is profitable, comma, and the industry is in a strong position. So we're using that conjunction and to create that separation. Notice we've got a comma followed by an and. That's sometimes called the Oxford comma, and some people like to use it, some people don't like to use it. Grammatically, we normally say that it is correct to use the comma there because they're actually two separate clauses, and the clauses must be separated by the comma. What about the fourth solution? Well, in this one, joining the sentences with a semicolon and a conjunctive adverb. So the company is profitable, consequently, comma, the industry is in a strong position. Or fifthly, we could join the sentences with a relative pronoun, such as which or that or who. The profitable company is in an industry which is in a strong position. So by using which is in a strong position, we're describing the company and the industry. Okay, so let's have a look at another example. The company engaged a consultant approximately 4 months ago to develop some business documents. These documents clearly articulate the strategies and timeframes for success. Have you seen sentences written like this? Well, yes, it is quite common. It's that run-on sentence. So what can we use? Well, as we said before, we can use a full stop. The company engaged a consultant approximately 4 months ago to develop some business documents, full stop. These documents clearly articulate the strategies and timeframes for success. Another way you could solve this issue of the run-on sentence is by using the semicolon. The company engaged a consultant approximately 4 months ago to develop some business documents. These documents clearly articulate the strategies and timeframes for success. So we're getting that balance between the two halves of the sentence, which is often what a semicolon is useful for. But I really like this last example, this use of the relative clause. The company engaged a consultant approximately 4 months ago to develop some business documents which clearly articulate the strategies and timeframes for success. That's good writing, that's strong writing, using that relative clause. We can also use adverbs to improve our writing. We can use these adverbs to connect the sentence in a more articulate way. These words include accordingly, finally, instead of, nevertheless, similarly, also, firstly, likewise, next, then, besides, furthermore, meanwhile, otherwise, therefore, consequently, however, moreover, secondly, thus. And we've seen examples before about how these are used. Often they have a comma that comes after them.